Hello and welcome on VetUp. This video will show you how to deal with the user's management menu. As an administrator, you can modify or create a user. To do so, you need a specific right that you can select from the Rights tab that you find here. You need to have the User Management box checked if you want to add any modification or to create a user. So let's show you how to create a new user. You click on New, and you will have to fill some requested fields to generate this new user. His last name, first name, and at least an email address. The external code will be useful if you need to transfer any data from a previous software. You will just have to inform the specific code from this software. The postal address and the telephone numbers can be added if you need to contact the user. The user code is very useful. You can, for example, seize the first name letter and the first two last name letters, so it will appear on the different software screens and help you to identify more quickly a connected user. The position is mainly about the software subscription and its rate, which evolves according to each position. A replacement vet will be selected if he works less than 30 days a year. You can select if it's a nurse. An administrator will mainly be in charge of the accounting, for example, and will not have to deal with exams, so you will be able to only give him the appropriate rights. It's going to be the same for the agenda. This kind of user will only need to access to limited functionalities because they mainly deal with making or verifying appointments. You can't modify the pre-filled positions, but thanks to category that you can create and modify in the settings and users categories, you can personalize the specific user's functions in your clinic. In parameters, you will have the login with the username, which is created by default. Then you see twice a specific password. The PIN code will be very useful in order to quickly connect to the software and switch users. You will have to activate this functionality through the Display tab in the application settings. Signature for documents will allow you to pre-fill user's name and capacity that will automatically appear at the end of his letters. Authorized IP address allows you to control the software access outside the clinic itself. If you don't seize anything, the user will be able to connect from any device, and if you enter specific addresses, the access will only be granted from the related devices. Default clinic will help you, if you run several clinics, to choose the one to which the user is mainly attached. Archive can be checked when the user doesn't work in the clinic anymore. It will be considered as inactive, but all data related to him will still be available. Clinics will enable you to link the user to the appropriate clinic. License deals with connected software, so if you want to allow any access to it, you will have to fill the specific license key. With Calendar, you can personalize the view of it with colors and some layout. Default user allows you to have a view from all calendars or just the user's one. Then you can select a default duration for each appointment that you will be able to modify if necessary. Preferences are mainly for reception, so you can select or not what is reachable. And finally, you have the Right tab where you can select the different granted users' rights and menus or submenus. Once everything is settled, you can register, and this new user will be added to the related list. For any other question, feel free to contact us through the support button, and we will get back to you. Thank you for watching, and see you soon on VetUp.